ano kasi sinabi niyo. Ayun na nga umak. We're going to check out now by 10 o'clock because of Hotel Hokkaido because we are going to catch the Hello Kitty Shinkansen train by 11 o'clock. Bye! Welcome to the cutest bullet train in Japan, the Hello Kitty Shinkansen. Japan Railway West, or popularly known as JR West, premiered a Hello Kitty bullet train service on its Sanyo Shinkansen line on June 2018. The Hello Kitty's iconic red ribbon as the main theme is a way to represent the strengthening of the ties between the Shinkansen services of the western part of the country. Best of all, it is included in your JR Pass. This kawaii train provides a Kodama service on the Sanyo Shinkansen line, which connects the western cities of Osaka and Fukuoka. The train stops at each station between Osaka and Hakata Station in western Japan's Fukuoka Prefecture, including Kobe, Okayama, and Hiroshima, and have some unique features. The first two cars decked out in full Hello Kitty adorable fashion with motifs from the famous Sanrio character and her friends and even a photo booth. Wow! Look at this! Gosh! Wow! Oh my god! It's Hello Kitty Wonderland! The first car, called Hello Plaza, does not have any passenger seats. Instead, it showcased local specialties, delicacies, and souvenirs from the region in the new JR West line, which passengers will be able to enjoy and buy. Si Jem. Jem, Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty. Sobrang excited ko. Ito ang souvenir na Shinkansen Hello Kitty Shinkansen train. May food na siya sa tiyan. 1,250 yen. Nagbahid ako. Ano may souvenir ko. Sobrang excited. Great! The second car, named Kawaii Room, is a passenger car covered from top to bottom with a popular Sanrio character and her friends, which features a Hello Kitty doll in a Shinkansen uniform. Also, instead of the usual Shinkansen jingle, the train plays the original Hello Kitty theme tune as it approaches the station. How cool is that? Hello Kitty Shinkansen is included with your JR Pass, so you can ride it for free as any Kodama Shinkansen service. Car 2 is non-reserved car, and if you wish to ride on this very special train, we advise you to be at the designated platform at least 30 minutes before your schedule so you can be first on the line.
Ubus na ba yung million mo? Ubus na. Ubus na yung milyones ko. Barya-barya na lang natira.
Kunyari bumili ka rin.
Yun lang nasabi mo?